Looking for a delicious, healthy and budget-friendly alternative to store-bought milk? Say hello to homemade soya milk. It's rich, creamy, packed with protein and incredibly easy to make with just a few ingredients. Whether you are lactose intolerant, vegan or just love the taste of fresh plant-based milk, this recipe will show you how to create the perfect soya milk from scratch. No preservative, no additive, just pure wholesome goodness. Let's get started. For this recipe, I used about 5 cups of soya beans, of which I used some of it to make wara. Okay, I'm going to show you that recipe later. So I just soak the beans overnight. You can soak it for about 8 hours or just soak it overnight. Okay. So now that the beans is well soaked, the next thing you want to do now is to wash the beans. Okay, so just throw away the water you used in soaking it and rinse it about 2 or 3 times to make sure it is completely cleaned. Once cleaned, pour it into your blender and grind it until it is completely smooth. And now, this is the soya beans completely blended into a very smooth mixture. So the next thing to do now is to strain out the milk. Using a cheesecloth, not milk bag or fine sieve, strain the soya milk into a pot or a bowl. Squeeze out as much liquid as possible. The remaining soya beans pulp can be used in other recipe or you can just throw it away. Pour the strained liquid into a pot and bring it to a boil. Stir occasionally and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes to remove the raw beans taste. Okay? Skim off any foam that forms on top. Allow the milk to cook for about 15 minutes under medium heat while constantly stirring it from time to time because it easily splashes and it can cover up the whole pot in few minutes. Soya milk are rich in protein. They are a good source of plant-based protein which helps in muscle growth and repair. They are very lactose-free and dairy-free. It's ideal for lactose-intolerant individuals and those trying to avoid dairy products. Soya milk helps to support heart health. They also help with weight management and is also good for bone health. Once cooked, a thick, firm layer will be formed on top of the milk. Gently use your spoon and take that off and stir the remaining one in the pot. Once the milk is cooked, strain it in your fine sieve. To have a smooth and lump-free milk, just pour it into your strain and then strain it out of every lump. For extra flavor, I went in with my vanilla extract. You can go with any flavor of your choice. And for sweetener, I use some sugar. You can go in with dates or honey, depending on whatever you want. Okay, so stir that together and then set it aside. Let the soya milk cook completely before transferring it into a bottle or a jar. Store in the fridge and consume within 3 to 4 days. So guys, if you have watched these videos till this time, thank you very much. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are not subscribed, please kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any beautiful and interesting videos, as I'll be bringing to you new videos every week. So until next week when I come again, God bless you and bye.